Hello everyone, this is Alejandra with creativedally.com, and here I am showing you the second class that I have available to go for January. And so this class features the Pop of Petals bundle, so you need to have the punch as well as this stamp set to be able to complete all the projects. Now if you notice on this stamp set there's no sentiments, and so you can pair this class with any sentiment that you have, but if you want to have the same look as I am doing in these cards, I've used the perennial birthday. I want to go for birthdays. I usually feel like I don't have enough birthday cards around me, and so I decided to go with this one. But this card class could go perfectly with thank yous, weddings, birthdays, I mean all occasions. So I think that they all are gorgeous. Now as you can see, this class also features the amazing design series paper called Floral Romance out of the Occasions catalog, and I love that it has vellum in it. You can see it here. This is one of my favorite cards, but you can see all the paper is just fantastic. So let me just go over options with you. So my first option is, as usual, the one that has everything. So for those of you who wants to get everything, this one is your option. So this is the Pop-Up Petals bundle, so you get the stamp set as well as the punch. You also get a full pack of the frosted flower embellishments, and this one is out of the Occasions catalog. You'll also get a full pack of the gold faceted gems, and you also get a spool of fresh fig sheer ribbon, which is the one that I've used to complete all the projects. So this option is let me see, this option is $79, plus there's an $8 fee for shipping. Now for those of you who may already have this bundle, this one is out of the annual catalog, so you might already have these. You can choose option 2, and option 2 is the one that has again all the make and takes, the PDF for the video tutorials, as well as the ribbon, the faceted gems, and the frosted flowers. And this option will be $45 plus an $8 shipping fee. Now for those of you who may already have everything and you can do all your cutting and you have all the tools and supplies, you don't need me to send anything, but you want to get the video tutorials, you can do that. So the video tutorial option is $20, and it will be a PDF with the links of all the videos. Now I choose to do video tutorials at all my classes because I feel like it's easier for me to explain to you what to do. I can share with you some other tips, so I think you get the most value out of those. So for instance, in this class we'll go over how to line up your stamps with the punches, so that it's always easier for you to punch it out with no frustration. And I also show you a cool little tip about how to convert your regular stamps into now cling stamps. So I think it's really great. Anyway, so the option 3, like I said, is just the video tutorials, and that option is $20. And finally, the last option that I have is for my team, and that option is just for the make and take, and that one is $15. I don't send any of the embellishments or anything to my team because they can choose to get all the items with their discount. Because as a demonstrator, we all get at least a 20% discount on all our tools. So I'd rather them use their discount to get their tools, but they can choose to get the make and take packet for $15. So anyway, thank you so much for joining me. I really hope you can join me on this class. I'm sure you will love it. And so I'll have the registration links and all the information on the description of this video. And again, I really appreciate your support throughout this new year. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon.